find out how I made £280 in week 3 of our money making challenge. Stay tuned as we break it down. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn and grow your money. We definitely stepped things up this week and we managed to net a total of £280 added to our profits. If you've not been following along so far, don't worry, I'll pop a link to the previous videos in the description below if you want to check it out and see what we've done. So this is our third update of our £0 to £1,000 challenge, and we are making some ground and banking some profits. We are actually, in fact, over halfway there now. So in 3 weeks, we've actually netted a total of £549. And for those of you interested, we're going to break it down. I'm going to go through exactly what offers we've done, what we've added this week to our money making, and let's see how we got on. Before I do that, a big thank you to everyone that's subscribed and liked and showing support to the channel so far. We super appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you're getting value from it, if it's helping you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see further updates, and it helps us grow. Let's head over to the screen and go through a few of the offers we did this week. And one of the first sites we signed up to this week was BetWay. It actually seems that they've changed their offer recently, maybe the last few days. This was a get up to £30 in free bets, but now it seems they've dropped it to £10. So you can still do the same offer as before. You'll just get £10 instead. Just make sure the odds 1.75 and above, using the OddsMonkey filter, and you'll be fine doing that one. The next site we used was this one. It's called Novibet, and as you can see here, this is the offer we used. We get up to a £25 free bet with this one. See if there's a quick overview of the offer. But that was the one that came up. Here's the site, and this is the one, so up to £25 match free bet. You just follow the OddsMonkey guide and it takes you through exactly what to do. It's slightly similar. There's a minimum of 3 selections in an accumulator, and we'll head over to the next one. Here's the next one. So with this one, we actually mix a little bit of sports with a little bit of casino because they attach it to the welcome offer. Can't find details of it on the main page. Here it is under promos. So it's double the odds, which is one for the sports bet. We deposit £20. We use £10 on double the odds, which makes it like an ARB, which means the odds of your bet double, which means you get an instant profit on that. We use the other £10 on a regular bet just to make a small loss, and then we actually get credited £20 to use in the casino section. Again, follow the OddsMonkey and you should be expected to make a decent money from this one. Always a good earner. The next site was Bet365. Now these have a really good welcome offer. We actually deposit. I'd recommend doing this one once you've built up a little bit of a bank, because you need £100 to take full advantage of the offer. Deposit £100, find good odds on that, place the bet, and you actually get a free bet of £100, which can translate into about £75 to £80 in profits. We'll go down over the spreadsheet we did, and I'll tell you how we did with that offer. The next site we headed over to VirginBet, and as you can see, it's just gone off. See if we can get it back. Might come back in a second. We bet a £10 with this one, and then we get given £20 in free bets. This is again same offers as before, really. Just make sure you've got the minimum odds. Follow the OddsMonkey guide if you need to, and quick easy offers here. And there it is there. Place £10, get £20 free bets. One of the last sites we signed up to this week was MansionBet, very similar to the VirginBet offer. They do a bet £10 and get £20 in free bets. Translates to between £15 to £18 profit. We'll go through the sheet shortly and see how much we actually made from it. Just waiting for this to load. And here it's loading. It should come up as you go on the site. And you can follow the OddsMonkey links. Here we go. Bet £10 and get 4 £5 free bets. That's what we did. For the next bunch of sites that we actually used, we didn't do any sports offers, but we headed over to a section. As you can see on OddsMonkey, we've got the casino hub here, and these are the offers we did. We're just going to take a look at them now. These are slightly different to the sports offers. OddsMonkey have some guides that go through everything, as you can see, from new accounts, so let alone. We are expected to make just over £600. Don't think I can show you them all because it is OddsMonkey. You have to sign up to it, but definitely recommend it. I'm going to show you the bunch of offers that we did and what we made from it. So without any more further ado, let's head over to the spreadsheet, see exactly how we made that money this week and break it down into the different offers. But don't forget, if you want to check out OddsMonkey, I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out. I think they do offer a free trial. Nothing to lose. Go through, you should make more than enough to cover it. So here we are on our profit logs. As you can see, week 1, so we did manage to get just over £160 within the first 7 days from nothing. Gave us a big start going forwards. Week 2, we managed an extra £107. We managed to get £269 total overall. And this week, okay, so going through the offers, we used the Sky free bet from last week. We actually tried one of the horse offers, which actually netted us £9.52. That was our money back as cash if it came in second place. And again, with that one, it was just luck. We placed another bet to actually qualify for next week's bet club as well, so I took a small loss on that. We did 5 bets over the week at Paddy Power, which resulted in a loss of £287, but it means we get a £10 free bet next week, so that will add on to next week's profits. They did a power price, it's like a boost bet, so instant profit on that one. Sky did a boost on the Saturdays, every pound counts. And then we did the new offers. So here, as we said in the earlier video, BetWay, we did Novibet, we did them all down here to MansionBet. And then here we did a few casino offers. The guides are in OddsMonkey. I won't go through them in great detail, but they're very similar sites. They have like a welcome offer. You do a certain thing, so you put some money in, you play games that have a good return to player ratio, which expected of a small loss, added in with a free offer they give in with you with a positive expected outcome, and you're expected to make money. So with these offers, as you can see, we did loads of these over the course of the week, and these are the profits we made from those casinos. Now casinos, it's not risk free, but is expected to turn a profit, and overall, yep, we actually did okay. These are a good bunch of sites. We actually made some decent profits. So overall, from here, week 3, we got down to here, £549.78, and there was a total increase of £280.56. Just bringing over a really good graph. Let's have a look. Drag it over. Here we go. And as you can see, we're doing very well. Going up and up and up. So 3 weeks in, and we're sitting at just under £550. So, doing great. Let's see what week 4 will bring for us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Helps us create more videos for you guys to help. Check out the links in the description below. and we'll see you all next week.